beat this guy.
Yeah, see, you have to beat him.
What a fuck.
Hey, they're cheating, dog.
They're gonna make current girls.
Let's go!
Tilda, today at least will I win or not? What truth friend, bro?
If his dad comes in, he ain't winning.
Yeah, if his dad comes, I can't. I mean, he's like a champion. Okay, so yeah. But crazy friend, he's encouraging me all the time.
You need to demotivate him. Oh fuck, repeat that shit. You need to demotivate him so he, gets his whole bike so he can put down everyone and get his.
Let's go. Man is finally here.
Guys, are you ready to get destroyed by me? Yours truly.
Destroyed by both of us actually.
Both of us, yeah.
Look at his
And
chain. Look at mine.
Same matching
Crazy.
chain. The same price also. If any girls are interested in buying me an expensive chain, being my sugar mommy,
Yeah, you heard it.
My
You heard it
DMs might
first from
be open
AJ.
if they're not.
So, what do you think today's event? Look at the place. How is the place?
Crazy.
Guys, look at this. This looks so cool. That Jeep looks so cool. Look at that. Come closer, da. You have to show the interior.
Mine's better. The interior.
Let's show the interior. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, this is so old school. Fuck. Bro, there are literally wires that you can see. Shit. Bro, this is so crazy. Like being inside one of these. Oh my god, I've never seen this in like years, bro. You know, this guy has one. He has one of these. But the waist one he has. He has the waist one.
OG one.
Shit. It was like, looks like shit.
There's nothing in front of it.
Bro, this looks so cool. Guys, they have the pool table. They have an old scooter here. Our table is over here. So we are waiting for the crowd to pull up. And once they do that, and it's time to set go, bro. I'm all locked in. I haven't stressed my arm from morning because I want to go full on in this. This is actually low key good, bro. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so nicely set up. And it's actually so quiet and it's like a nature themed place, bro. Look at this. It's so nice. Crazy, no? The place?
Sexy.
Nice.
One more tab for the sexy place.
What do you think?
Anna set us up big
What do you
time.
think?
Sexy place. I'm gonna arm wrestle.
Huh.
Girls are gonna come.
This guy always girls. Bro, I'm already feeling so hot. I don't want to remove this right now. I want to remove when the crowd comes and then, surprise them. I don't know if I can hold on for so long. It's so hot. They're all Team Hercules. Okay, Mile and you? Prerna, okay. Rishabh.
Yeah.
Yours?
Nishant.
Nishant? Nishant, okay. We have the DJ set ready to go. And this is the view.
It's not a guy's washroom, it's 3 porta potties, that's all.
Porta potties.
Not porta potties. In Fortnite, you could hide in those things, no? Like that.
You come out of it right then.
Yeah, and then you scare them and you get a victory.
Or today's guest, bro. Okay. Oh my god, I don't want to get bitten, bro.
Hey, it's not wagging its tail, da. I'm telling you, smash that dog.
The champ is here. Welcome, sir. After so long. The last time we met in Chinlungs. After that, I'm seeing him today. So he's come to play on our side because I can't face him. He's too strong. And it's free booze, free food. Look at that. They're all serving free drinks. I mean, my bad luck, bro. I can't drink. I don't want to get caught again. So yeah, today only eating, bro. I'm so sad though because police will catch me for sure, 100%. So yeah, guys, this fucker told he's coming at 6:30. He's showing up at 8:30.
I came at 6:30. I was trying to sneak in my friend. That's why I took an extra
And that friend is here.
The event was started 6:30, it's 9, no one is here.
No, they actually jumped over a compound and came in.
They know him.
Only him.
Because a good friend never leaves the other friend behind.
What truth? Bro, I'll fucking hit you, bro. You from? Let's go. Crazy. Let's go, bro. I thought you were strong, dog. Beat me, win $2,000, bro. For everyone. Let's go, AJ. Oh, let's go. Your specs fell, bro. Your specs fell.
Yeah, come on, Sharu, come on! Yes,
Thanks for playing. Come, you wanna come? For fun. It's free. For fun.
Let's go, come on. AJ, let's finish him.
3, 2, 1, go.
was underneath.
versus Arun.
Yeah.
Oh, he's removing the pump cover.
Yeah, bump cover. Oh, bro, go slow.
Rishabh. Okay. I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1, go. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, good game.
Again, let's go.
Again, huh? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, almost got him.
Let's go, bro.
Thank you so much for playing.
Wanna try? Come, bro, give it a try. What's there? Come, let's go. He's the weakest of them all. Weakest of our gang. So if you beat us, we get 3,000, bro.
Keep it, be careful. 3, 2, 1, go. Careful with your shoulder.
Check your shoulder, no? That's fine. Let's go. What happened?
He was on the arm break.
You guys should try. Go ahead. Arm wrestling. Come, we'll have fun. Anyway, it's our own team. You and where's the other guy? So I'm gonna play against my own team, bro. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Bro is struggling a lot. Let's finish him, bro. Well tried.
This is Arun here.
So it was Arun here.
For the vibes. See, you one of the people have balls.
Yeah, you put on YouTube, na? Or in Insta. I think I saw you on Insta.
3, 2, 1, go. Strong, huh?
Not bad though.
You still have not started to play itself.
Bro,
I got him. Hey,
no,
thanks for playing.
he's going this.
Okay, they want
Look at my hands, bro. It's so pumped. Hand is fucked, bro. They're so scared. Yeah.
Okay, we got Tanish versus Arun here. Come on. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Bro, don't flash, okay?
Oh, looks like he knows how to play, huh? Careful.
Oh, okay. No. I have to go slow, bro.
Nice, man.
Hand brakes always.
Yeah. Yuvraj. Okay, we got Yuvraj versus Arun here. That's same rule. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Understand, Yuvraj.
Yeah, bicep size. Hey, let me.
3.
Don't want each other and all. That's all waste of time.
But it's like
Waste of time and waste of.
Bro, we have a whole body.
No space in the phone. Now finish.
Nice, Jay.
That was funny.
All love.
Ready? Start.
Oh. Hey, who come please?
Once. Ready?
Thank you so much for playing.
Here.
You're stop it now.
I won't do that.
I am telling you. Okay.
Dave.
Ready? 3. Put your hand here.
You can hold.
Okay, Abhinav versus Arun again. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, well tried, sir. Strong.
Nice with it.
Yeah, you guys can play against each other.
He's the strongest Abhinav. Let's see.
Bro, we gotta beat this guy.
Yeah, see, you have to beat him.
Put on my
Hey, no.
Okay, guys.
Hold.
And girls.
Hand is pumped already.
Guys and girls.
Hold,
Okay.
Okay, all the girls' elbow should be on the pad. Okay?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh.
Hey, no. Hey, the cheating, dog.
They're gonna make Arun girls. Oh. Are they gonna excuses?
That's cheating. No, that was like a little bit pulling.
Oh, he's gone. Destroyed him.
Fuck, bro. Too strong. Oh shit. Very crazy. Listen down.
Okay,
Okay. What's your name?
my name is Arun.
Arun. Arun versus Arun.
Arun.
Arun versus Arun.
Start.
See, if your arm is dangerous,
Two Aruns, bro.
it will not be okay. Because okay, 3, 2,
Leave my finger, dog.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, Arun. Hey, buddy. Hey, reaction illa manikrara. Okay, this Arun won. Let's go.
Dive. Okay. Oh my god. Come on. Full lead. 3, 2, 1, go!
Winner, winner.
What a rip, man.
Let's go.
2, 1, go!
Father versus son, bro.
Dad was a son. Dad was a son.
He's a final boss, man.
He is final boss.
Yeah.
Okay, Arun versus what is your name? Lokesh versus Arun. 3, 2, 1, go!
Start!
Come here, now. Over. No, bro. So.
He's coming to referee.
Bro, I'm already.
Sir, explain the rules.
Okay.
You have to come to the closer. If your body is out, right?
Guy fucking. Hey, no space, pause it.
Straight. Ready, go!